Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to talk about another work from home jobs for beginners with no VA experience needed. This is great for people who is just starting and already have some admin experience or work sa corporate and do want to transition into a remote work setting. Or if you are an OFW who have admin experience and decided to work from home sa bahay na lang dito sa Pilipinas, these work from home jobs might be perfect for you guys. So if you're ready, finish this video until the end, like and subscribe so we can help you find the perfect work from home job you're looking for. We also giving away not just 3,000, but this time 5,000 pesos in cash to a random subscriber who leave a comment on this video. So if you have any question, please don't be shy. By the way, guys, I am Chad Godoy and I help thousands of VAs find work from home online as a virtual assistant. With over 9 years of experience, I help people find a decent work online so that they can support their families and buy their own houses as well. Okay, the company that we're talking about here is myvirtudesk.ph. They help people, especially who have no VA experience but are skilled and willing to be trained. It's also great because their training is paid and they can teach you a lot of skills like admin tasks, email management, social media management, blog writing, marketing skills, lead generation, and other ad skills as well. And pwede ka rin mag-level up kasi kung matatanggap kang admin, pwede kang mag-expand to an executive VA at makapag-build ng experience. So if you decided to level up in the near future, the best tong opportunity na ito. Okay din yung company nila kasi alam mo, sobrang happy lang din. May mga events sila na pwede mong daluhan at makikita mo talaga na nagtutulungan sila na kasama mo yung mga tao na perfect na tao na walang katoksikan sa buhay. Madalas din sila nagkakaroon ng mga summer getaway like Palawan trip at sa mga iba pang mga lugar. They also have amazing clients that has great experience towards the company that you can review in their YouTube channel na para ma-inspire ka kasi you want to be working with the company that making real impact or real results sa mga businesses. Tulad na lang nitong CEO nila. Sobrang neat lang, no? At napakagwapo. So why work with Virtudesk? You want to be working with Virtudesk because first of all, we all need work-life balance, correct? If you're living in the city because of traffic, you're losing like 2 to 4 hours just for you to go to work. Add additional 8 hours to that, that's total of 10 to 12 hours working, tama? That's half of your day already. After that, mag-aalaga ka pa pagdating mo sa mga anak mo, di ba? And you need to do household chores. And sometimes, pati yung work mo, minsan nadadala mo pa sa bahay. Kaya minsan, wala talagang balance. Minsan, napapabayaan mo na yung mga anak mo. Or worse, hindi ikaw yung nag-aalaga no, ng mga anak mo kasi super occupied ka sa work mo. In other words, walang work-life balance, mga kapatid. Hindi tayo nabubuhay para magtrabaho lang. Nabubuhay tayo para sa pamilya natin. And with Virtudesk, meron kang work-life balance kasi you don't need to commute or pumila sa LRT araw-araw. Paggising mo, work na agad, no? Kahit hindi ka pa naliligo, no? Kape lang, no? Kape lang, no? Walang hassle. Paggising mo, magkakape ka lang, walang hassle kasi it's a work from home job. The second thing is full-time jobs, okay? With Virtudesk, you are sure that you can have a full-time job that can support you and your family. You're not going to be thinking whether may pambayad ka pa ba ng mga bills mo or sa katapasan or mababayaran mo ba yung tuition ng mga anak mo. You can sustain your family needs. Plus, extra. Okay? Ano yung extra? You can buy what you want and save for the future para secure ikaw at yung family mo. They also have training because work from home job, alam naman natin, very demanding yan. No? You need to upgrade your skills every time. No? Constant learning kasi dito. Yung company na to, okay siya because they will train you and support you. Because they are not just focused on the client needs. They also support their team so that they can do their job with perfection. Kasi mas natutulungan mo na yung employees mo, mas matutulungan nila yung client mo, di ba? Common sense lang yan eh. At syempre, hindi lang yon. Dahil magaling ka sa work mo as a virtual assistant, they are also open to annual increases. Case-to-case basis po yan ha. Syempre, hindi naman pwedeng lahat ng tao mabibigyan ng annual increase, di ba? Pero open sila for annual increase kapag nagper-perform ka, di ba? Syempre, dapat mag-perform ka din. Hindi lang pwedeng tenga-tenga ka lang sa gilid, no? Kailangan mag-perform ka din. So, hindi naka-stack yung sahod mo sa around $3 per hour or $5 per hour. Kumbaga, depende yan kasi makikitaan ka naman ng skills ng kumpanya eh. Kung nakikita nila sa bawat dolyares na pinapasok nila sa'yo, ito yung nakukuha mong dolyares kapalit nun. Syempre, bibigyan kanila ng ano, 'di ba? Ng increase taon-taon. You can also have additional bonuses based on your performance. So if you're an A player and you are performing every year, you might have continuous flow of performance bonuses, 'di ba? So, yan hindi yan constant case to case basis din po yan. So kung gusto mo magkaroon ng bonus, syempre, dapat magpa-perform ka. And then ang mas okay pa dito, if you work with Virtudes, they can give you certifications that you can use if ever you work for another company, no? Syempre, hindi natin masasabi, 'di ba? Hindi lang naman siguro ito yung pag-workan mo for the rest of your life, 'di ba? No? Sana naman magtagal ka if ever you're going to be working here at matanggap ka. Pero syempre, may mga pagkakataon na we will going to have a lot of opportunities lalo na pag online, 'di ba? Madaming opportunities sa online kasi after you gain experience, a lot of experience, papasok yung opportunity sa eh. So, kailangan mo ng magandang experience na mag-a-add dyan sa portfolio mo bilang isang virtual assistant. So, Virtudes could give you that additional boost para gumanda yung portfolio mo. So, nga pala, ito po yung mga patunay na may mga tao talaga na nagsasucess dito, yung mga biglang sumakses sa Virtudes. Kagaya na lang po ni Mr. Jason Canlas, isa siyang inside sales associate. So, sabi niya dito, before, I was not able to save money because of my daily allowance for work, but now I have savings for my son. And most importantly, I am with my family every step of the day. And they say you won't be going back to a call center once you experience home base, especially with Virtudes. So tama po yung sinabi niya, no? Kagaya ko po, isa po akong virtual assistant. Ang nangyayari po dyan, kapag VA ka kasi, syempre hindi ka na nagko-commute, nawawala yung 2 to 4 hours traffic sa buhay mo. So yung 2 to 4 hours na i-inject mo yan sa pamilya mo. So ako, kagaya ko, meron akong anak, no? Nasisend ko siya sa school, like may taekwondo. Ang nangyayari, pag nagtataekwondo yan ako, syempre kailangan niya ihatid sa school or ihatid doon sa training nila. So pag nagte-training siya, syempre after 2 to 3 hours, kailangan may susundo, di ba? If you're virtual assistant, yung mga kagaya, yung mga ganung mga bagay, nagagawa mo yun. Lalo na kapag malapit lang yung mga school nila. So napapakain mo yung anak mo ng tama, nasusubaybayan mo. So yun yung isa, no, bukod sa savings na sinasabi ni Jason, yun yung isang naihahatid at ibibigay mo sa anak mo. So another, kagaya po ni Jojo Bonkin, isang general virtual assistant, sabi niya, I cannot stress enough on the things I am happy about being with VD, no? Being with Virtudes and being a GVA. Working in the comforts of your own home, spending time more with your family, avoiding that hassle of travel, or are just a few things I enjoy as a general VA with VD. Yun nga, kadalasan yan kasi yung problema eh. No, kapag nagtatrabaho ka, no, sa corporate, yung hassle, yung commute, yun po talaga yung ano eh, yung pa lang eh, yung hassle pa lang trabaho na, no. If you're working from home, yung hassle ng traffic, nawawala po yan. Another, with Cherish Dalmasio, working from home does give me the benefit of feeling secure because I don't have to go to the office and leave my loved one. I am proud to be a member of the Virtudes family. After all, it is our family that we work for. So, tama siya, di ba? It's our family that we work for. Yung pamilya, at the end of the day kasi pamilya eh. Pamilya pa rin, no? Kung bakit tayo nagtatrabaho, it's for us to have earnings for our family and to keep them safe. At paano mo magiging makikip yung safety ng family mo? Kung ikaw mismo sa sarili mo, nagko-commute ka araw-araw, feeling mo hindi ka safe, no? You're always on the go, you're always pumipila sa LRT, mamaya ma-hold up ka pa, no? Mamaya pag uwi mo, patay ka na. Di ba may mga ganun kasi, di ba? Call center agent. Pag uwi, deads na. Wala na yung family niya. Eh paano pa kung single mom 'yon, 'di ba? So mahirap 'yon. So another, no? Another this one. Sabi niya, when I lost my parents and I was not on their side, it made me realize that it's the equality of time and presence with your loved ones that matter. And that's what I found with Virtudes. I get to support my family financially and still be present on their milestone. Thank you for Virtudes. Minsan, lalo na pag OFW ka, di ba? Nag-work ka as an OFW for the past 25 years of your life and you're going to experience, minsan bigla na lang may mamatay sa family mo or yung anak mo biglang nagkasakit or, di ba? Hindi natin masabi eh. Wag naman nating pangarapin, no? Na may mangyari sa kanila if you're OFW. Lalo ako, I'm a son of an OFW for the rest of my life. Ang mami ko nasa US pa rin. Ever since 6 months pa lang, wala na sa tabi ko yung mami ko. So, imagine mo yung growth as a person. Imagine mo yung confidence na na-build ko as a person. Mahirap pag wala kang magulang sa tabi mo. Mahirap talaga kasi walang gumagabay sa'yo, walang nagdidisiplina sa'yo, di ba? Wala lahat yon. Oo, napag-aral ako kasi may mom earns in being an OFW, nasandya sa ako sa school, and I'm grateful for that. Pero iba pa rin talaga if your family is there to support you, is there na para, alam mo yung mga simpleng bagay lang na kailangan ng bata, like turuan mo sa assignment, 'di ba? Siguraduhin na natutulog ng tama sa gabi. Yung mga ganung bagay, kung titignan mo, hindi yun importante, hindi yun mahalaga eh. Pero sa bata nararamdaman yun, no? Hindi lang kasi importante na ma-send mo sa school ang anak mo. Isang importanting bagay po bilang isang magulang ay maparamdam mo sa anak mo na mahal mo siya. At kung mabibigay mo pa yung bonus, yung mga pangangailangan niya, yung presence mo, lalo na nandun, mas gaganda yung confidence ng bata habang lumalaki. Nakukuha niya yun habang lumalaki. Lumalakas yung self-esteem ng bata. So sa akin, kinailangan ko pang, alam mo yun, na maraming mga nagkwento ng buhay, maraming mga bagay na ma-experience ko bago ko ma-build yung self-esteem ko. Pero dahil wala kang gumagawa sa akin, walang nagke-create ng pundasyon para ako maging confident, 'di ba? Kahit ngayon parang minsan dumarating pa rin ako na naaalala ko 'yon, 'di ba? Minsan naiiyak na nga lang ako. Nagdrama sa vlog. Wow. So yun lang, no? Isa yun sa mga importante bakit natin ginagawa ang ginagawa natin bilang isang VA. So, how can you start applying to Virtudex? Okay, first, you need to go to their application web portal. Okay, for everyone's information, there are three positions that you can choose to apply to. Number one is General VA, two is Inside Sales Agent, and Executive VA. All three positions po have corresponding requirements and responsibilities. So, makikita nyo rin habang medyo humihirap yung trabaho, medyo tumataas yung rate, no? Diyan mo malalaman, no, yung pagkakaiba ng isang GVA, isang inside sales agent at isang executive virtual assistant with respect to their payment. So kapag EVA pala, mas tumataas pa po yung bayad, no? Lalo na if you're working directly sa client mo kasi pag kay Virtudesk kasi, you're going to be working for Virtudesk, no? Syempre, may ano siya, may cut siya. Pero kahit may cut siya, $5 pa rin yan per hour, no? Malaki pa rin yan. Pero imagine mo kung walang cut yan, di ba? So, ganun kalaki, no? Ganun kalaki yung rate. Diyan pa lang makikita nyo na yung rate. So after nyong makapili, no? Makapili dyan kung ano yung gusto nyong applyin for position, kung whether gusto nyo mag-start muna as General VA or gusto nyong dahil meron na kayong experience bilang isang executive virtual assistant sa kumpanya, kung saan man kayo kumpanya galing, pwede kayong mag-EVA, ano? So after nyo makapili, you will proceed to the application form. And I left the link on the description. So don't worry, nandyan na yan. Pakihanap na lang po, ma'am, sir. Make sure that you create a good CV, in order for you to be considered. Kung minsan kasi yung mga tao nag-a-apply, nagsisend sila ng CV at hindi man lang po nila inaayos. Yung last 5 years pa nila ng CV yung sinesend nila, no? Ayusin nyo naman po. May Canva naman po dyan, no? Sa Canva, marami tayong mga resume po, template na pwedeng magpaganda nung CV nyo, no? Hindi lang po yung black and white na parang ginawa nyo lang po sa notepad. Wag naman po ganon, ano? Na napapaganda yung CV nyo, gawin nyo lang po siya sa Canva. At sabi po dito, at hindi mo kailangan na may VA experience ka, no? Okay? You have to be transparent on that. You don't need to have a virtual assistant experience. Mapa-online man or offline, pwede ka na mag-work sa kanila. Kaya yung ibang mga nagpaplanong tumalon ng bakod from corporate to VA work, perfect talaga to. Lalong-lalo na yung mga nagre-reach out sa aking mga single mommies na walang nagbabantay doon sa mga anak nila. So ito, perfect po sa inyo to. Lalo na kunyari, nag-work kayo sa city, tapos yung mga anak nyo nasa probinsya, hindi nyo na kailangan gawin yon. Pwede kayong umuwi na lang sa probinsya at doon kayo mag-work as a virtual assistant. So yan po, no, ilalagay nyo lang po dyan yung email nyo and then you need to verify. Pag binerify niya, syempre makaka-receive kayo ng email and then you're going to upload your CV there, you're going to choose ano ba yung professional experience nyo. Kung meron kayong 6-month BPO, ilagay nyo dyan. Kung admin position naman po yung experience nyo, like for example, OFW kayo, meron kayong admin position experience, pwede nyo na checkan nyo. If you have an ESL experience, pwede checkan nyo na rin. No? Lahat ng pwede nyo checkan dyan, checkan nyo. So then you upload your CV and you click next. And then after you will fill up their form and they considered you as a qualified applicant, you will proceed to step 2. Ano ba yung step 2? There will be an initial interview. Some online tests like grammar, typing, and behavior test. Sa pagkakaalam ko, wala pong bumagsak dito, no, sa mga test na to, guys. So, huwag kayong kakabahan sa mga test. This test is just a test for you na talagang binasa nyo tong pinag-aksayahan nyo ng panahon yung pag-a-apply, no? Binasa nyo, nag-aksaya kayo ng mga 30 to 50 minutes na para sagutan yung mga test. Kumbaga, yun lang ay nagbibigay ng senyales na seryoso talaga kayo. At sa pagkakaalam ko, walang bumagsak dito. Kahit naman nung sa corporate pa lang ako, hindi naman ako bumabagsak sa mga ganito, kahit hindi naman ako ganun katalino. So please don't worry about that. And behavior test, Walang tama o maling sagot dyan. Okay? And then they will check your equipment. So if you're capable to work, no? Importante to guys, no? If you're working from home, dapat may equipment ka. At dito, no, sa screen natin, makikita nyo yung system requirements. So dalawa lang yan. Whether you're using Windows or Mac. So si Windows, yan yung normal na computer. Si Mac, yan yung Apple, no? Yung gamit ko ngayon, Apple eh. Ba't ka tumawa? Ano ba? Okay? So, yung mga requirements natin nakalagay na dyan. No? Unang-una, nakalagay dyan, two fully functioning 64-bit desktop or laptop. Yung isa dyan for backup. No? Pero, kung isa pa lang yung computer niya, wala kayong backup, wala kayong problema dyan. Poproblemahin nyo lang po yan kapag natanggap na kayo. So, pwedeng yung backup nyo, pwedeng gamit yan ng asawa nyo, ng kapatid nyo, wala pong problema dyan. But for at least maipresenta nyo na meron kayong backup computer. Madali namang gawa ng paraan yan eh. Kasi yung mga bagay na yan, pwedeng to follow na. So, at least Intel Core i3 or i3 9th Gen or higher or AMD equivalent, no? Pag mga Ryzen, yung mga Ryzen 3, no? Yan yung mga equivalent niyan. So, at least 8 GB of RAM or more for multitasking requirements. So, kailangan po medyo mataas yung RAM natin para makakapag-multitask tayo. So, yan, USB headset with noise cancelling feature, no? Sa mga naghahanap po ng noise cancelling feature, ito po yung Jabra Evolve 20, no? Yan, murang-mura po yan. No, yan po ay perfect sa mga papasok pa lang na VF at wala pa silang mga noise cancelling headsets. Murang-mura po sa halagang 1,500 plus. Meron na po kayong magandang, super magandang headset with noise cancelling feature. Yan po yung gamit ko nung una, no, na nagsisimula pa lang ako. So, kailangan po talaga nating mag-invest sa sarili natin. So, nandyan po yan sa description natin below. Nakatag po yung mga headset na yan. So, pwede kayong mamili, ano. And then, internet service at least 10 Mbps of DSL or fiber. So kadalasan naman ngayon fiber, wala na tayong problema diyan, no? And a backup internet service of 10 Mbps or more, no? So if you matanggap kayo, meron kayong syempre magpo-follow up kayo na magpo-provide kayo ng at least sa backup or kung dalawa yung internet to sa bahay, tamang-tama na 'yan, no? And then syempre yung workstation niyo ready 'yan, di ba? Free of noise and distraction. Syempre kasi magtatrabaho ka, no? Kailangan yung environment mo maaliwalas. So, ganun din po yan sa Mac. Ang equivalent niyan nandito sa kabila. So, kung gumagamit ka ng Mac, yan po yung mga requirements, no? Nagkakatalo lang naman po yung dalawa dun sa, sa processor eh. Sa, di ba? Dito sa Mac, Intel or Silicon M1 chip. And then yung OS na ginagamit, Mac OS Catalina or newer. So, yung nasa baba niyan, parehas na po yan. And if you're looking for a webcam with full HD. Ito po yung pinakamagandang webcam, Logitech C920. Yan po ang pinakamagandang webcam na ginagamit ko, Logitech C920. Pwede ka pa mag-vlog. No, ang ganda, HD po yan. Yan po yung ginagamit po natin. So after you proceed to step 1 and 2, next is step 3, which is the final interview. And this is the step that they're going to say whether you pass or fail your interview. And congratulations po. Kapag nakapasa na po kayo, once you pass, then you will proceed to submitting all your requirements to confirm your true identity, no? Syempre, magpapasa kayo ng mga identity mo like NBI, no, para malaman lang nila yung mga government ID, malaman nila na totoong tao ka na ikaw si, for example, si Chad Godoy, di ba? Kasi pwede mo sabihin ikaw si John Marie pero hindi naman pala ikaw 'yon, no? Ano, ginagamit mo lang yung identity ni John Marie. So, 'yun po yung mga isa-submit yung mga requirements, no? Aside from yung mga system requirements, no, yung mga equipment. So, 'yun lang po. Okay guys, let's proceed dun sa mga frequently asked questions regarding Virtudas. Number one question is, can I choose my own schedule once I am hired? Nakalagay dyan, unfortunately, choosing of your own schedule is not feasible. Hindi po pwedeng mangyari, ano? Yung kliyente lang po, our clients are the ones who will provide the schedules of their VAs. Working hours will be 8 hours per day for full-time. And then they also accept part-time 4 hours per day po yun, ano? 4 hours per day pag part-time. Nakalagay dyan, do you accept applicants with an active part-time or full-time job? We do not accept applicants with an active full-time or part-time position. Sabi dyan, no, kung nagtatrabaho ka ng active ka pa dun sa kumpanya, syempre kung pag natanggap ka, kailangan mo mag-resign, no? Hindi ka agad tatanggapin, kailangan mo ng resignation, no? Kailangan mo munang mag-resign para matanggap ka sa Virtudes, para at least committed ka sa kanila na hindi ka masyadong distracted. Sabi nila, this will enable us to build a cohesive and driven workforce, ensuring the highest level of productivity and collaboration. So para yun lang iniintindi mo yung mga clients nila. Syempre, pag may full-time job ka, mahirap naman na meron ka ring ibang full-time job, di ba? Nakahati yung oras mo at syempre kulang yung tulog mo. At hindi ka makakapag-perform. Number two is, do you accept undergraduates pa? Sabi diyan, yes, as long as they have at least 6 months of BPO experience. Kung undergraduate ka, hindi ka nakatapos ng college, high school grad ka lang, pero meron ka experience sa call center or BPO, pwede po yun. Do you hire internationally? Currently, we only hire Filipino citizens who are residents here in the Philippines. So, yung mga residente lang po ng Pilipinas ang ina-hire dito. Kasi po, regarding po yan sa mga taxes, no? Kasi syempre, kapag nag-hire sila sa US, iba yung mga tax, mga ganyan-ganyan. So, yun lang, no? Yun yung mga tinitignan diyang mga parameters. So, do you provide training? Is the training paid? Yes, we do provide training to all new hires, no? As said in their website. So, wala kayong problema. May bayad po habang nagtitraining kayo. Training is for about 5 days and a full-time graveyard shift. Graveyard shift, ibig sabihin, sa gabi po yun, no? How long is the training? 5 days graveyard shift. How long does it take to get a client? We have clients waiting to find their virtual assistant. No, the duration on when you get hired would depend on your performance during client interview. So depende pa rin po sa inyo 'yon. Kumbaga, marami naman pong position eh. Kumbaga araw-araw may mga position and you're going to be matched to a client and you're going to get interviewed by a client. Pero syempre, si client pa rin ang magde-decide. That is the deciding factor kung kailan po kayo magkakaroon ng client. So yun, what accounts do you have? Ano po yung mga businesses na hinahandle nila? Our main niche is the real estate market, but we have and currently expanding to other lines of businesses such as insurance, concierge, and tech to name a few. Work schedule would be working hours depend on the client. Okay? Depends on the client. However, schedules are on a graveyard shift as we cater to US client. Pero syempre, depende pa rin yan sa client mo. Okay? Sa clients mo, no? Depende pa rin yan. No? Pwede kayong magkaroon ng mga, pagka tumatagal-tagal ka na, syempre magkakaroon ka ng mga flexible schedule na pwede ka mag-work sa araw kalahati, yung kalahati sa gabi. So may mga ganung pagkakataon po, guys. So guys, if you have any question, just comment and ask lang po sa comment section, no? At sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe, don't forget to subscribe po to our channel para updated kayo sa mga future posts po natin. Okay? Thank you po, guys. Sa mga nanghahanap naman po ng maayos na equipment for their amazing VA experience, you may want to try some equipment that I use for my day-to-day work experience. For my headset po, I use my Evolve 240. Ito po yung ginagamit ko, yung ginagamit ko rin pong pang-vlog. Medyo may kamahalan po ito, pero swak na swak talaga yung performance habang nag-work ka. Talagang plakadong-plakado po yung boses nyo. Wala pong noise kasi meron siyang passive noise cancellating feature. Pero kung medyo may pagka-budget kayo, medyo naghahanap kayo ng mura-mura, you can try po yung Jabra Evolve 20. Yan po yung una kong ginamit to. So ever since, yan po yung pinaka gold standard ng headset na wala pong tumatalo dyan. Kahit mura, 1,500 lang, sobrang ganda na po yung performance nyo. Brand new po yun yung 1,500. And kung naghahanap naman po kayo ng HD webcam, try nyo po tong HD Logitech C920. Ito po yung ginagamit ko, Logitech C920 para po sa maganda yung Zoom interview nyo, no? Sobrang HD at pwede pa po kayong mag-vlog kasi HD po siya, 1080 po siya at sobrang ganda, no? And then if you're looking for a keyboard, no, ito rin po yung ginagamit ko, yung gaming keyboard ko po. Ito po yung the Logitech 213 gaming keyboard. So, hindi ko siya ginagamit po para mag-games. Pero, syempre po yung mga gaming keyboard, naka-design po siya na sobrang ganda po yung tipa. Yung sobrang lambot, na kahit parang sobrang bilis mo mag-type, pwedeng-pwede, no? So, ito po yung ginagamit ko for work performance level talaga. So yan lang po yung mga produkto, no? So all products are tagged in the description below. So just check lang po at nagkakaroon po tayo dyan ng commission once you buy from my links pero hindi po yan nakakadagdag ng presyo po sa inyo, no? So yun lang po, no? And guys, please don't forget to comment on this video para malaman po namin na napanood nyo to at kung ano man po yung reaction nyo, pwede po kayong mag-react kung may mga violent reaction po kayo. So thank you po guys for watching this video and I hope to see you soon on my next video po. Maraming salamat po. I appreciate you all of you who watches my video and supported my channel. Maraming salamat po. God bless po sa inyo.
Hi guys, ito na nga po pala ang mangyayari. Ay, pipili na po tayo ng winner for our last video. So we received like 363 unique comments sa video po natin nung nakaraan and today we're going to pick a winner. And we're going to use a random picker in order for us to choose a winner for last raffle na mananalo po ng worth 3,000 pesos. So ito na. Ang winner po natin ay si Sir James Patrick Vu2EF. Very interesting ang comment niya. Very interesting. I got hooked. Salamat po ng marami, sir, for this video. So, thank you po, Sir James Patrick. Ikaw po ang nanalo ng worth 3,000 pesos. Salamat po sa iyo at salamat sa iyong pagsubaybay sa ating YouTube. Salamat po sa inyong suporta. At kung hindi pa po kayo ang nanalo ngayon, meron pa po tayong susunod na mga videos na pwede po kayong manalo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo, Sir James. Mabuhay po kayo.